Universal Studios parks are renowned for their high-thrill, adrenaline-pumping rides, some of which, unfortunately, can induce that oh-so-awful nauseous feeling. Hi, I'm Chrissy O, and welcome to Mouse Ears TV. Today, I'll set your mind and stomach at ease with a list of 10 rides you should probably steer clear of if you're prone to getting motion sickness. You're tuned into Mouse Ears TV. Buckle up, friends. Let's get into the list of rides to approach with caution. Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey. Oh, the irony of it being forbidden for some of us. This mind-blowing virtual tour of Hogwarts feels like a roller coaster, and it has a knack for making stomachs flip due to its realistic flying simulation. But true Potterheads will love the immersive Hogwarts tour experienced by standing in line. If the thought of bouncing around makes you queasy, just snap some pictures and dip out before the ride starts. The Simpsons Ride. Springfield's virtual reality roller coaster can disorient riders with its immersive animation and sudden drop. But fear not, there's plenty more to experience in and around Cresty-land. Race through New York with Jimmy Fallon. Unfortunately, laughter isn't the best medicine to survive this ride. The high-speed chases through New York City make this ride the hardest to stomach for those with motion sickness. So unless you're a die-hard Jimmy Fallon fan, it might be best to avoid this one. The Amazing Adventures of Spiderman. It's tough to recommend skipping this legendary ride. Still, it's notorious for triggering motion sickness with its 3D simulated action and a significant freefall effect. Approach this one with caution or stick to wandering the gift shop. Storm Force Acceleratron. This superhero version of a teacup ride in Marvel Superhero Island can really stir up some storm in your stomach. Even if you ride this one carefully, it can still send you spinning. Maybe give this one a miss. Despicable Me Minion Mayhem. These cuties are all over the place, and this ride will unexpectedly wreak havoc on sensitive stomachs. Thankfully, a switch from 3D to 2D has improved the situation. Consider sitting in the stationary sections if you want to ride with others. Transformers, the Ride 3D. The realness of this fan favorite ride can be a bit too much for some. With 3D glasses and lots of jostling, triggering a troubled tummy is easy. But if you're a huge Transformers fan, it might be worth risking with some prep. Revenge of the Mummy. Don't let the indoor setting fool you. This intense coaster can leave you feeling queasy with its sudden twists, turns, and stops. This one is pretty iconic though, and with no upside down movements, you might want to take the opportunity to enjoy this air-conditioned roller coaster ride. Harry Potter and the Escape from Gringotts. This indoor coaster has a steep drop, spins, and 3D elements that can make it a bit much for some. But just like the Forbidden Journey, there's so much to see and experience just standing in line. So hang with your friends and family and head out to meet them when they're done. Hollywood Rip Ride Rockit. It's that first vertical drop that gets you. But man, this ride rocks, and it is worth taking some Dramamine for if necessary. As cool as it is, it might be wiser to enjoy the tunes down on the ground instead. So, that's our list, friends. We hope this guide helps you navigate your day at Universal Studios Florida, leading to clear skies and calmer tummies. Now don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to stay updated with more insider tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.